So what did you build here?
Uh-huh.
What did you build?
I'm going to make for my pillows.
And what is this that you've made?
It's going to be an airplane.
Oh, and what's this?
This for the airplanes.
Uh-huh. And what is it?
It's the motor.
Oh, the motor.
The motor for the airplane.
Oh, is it difficult to make an airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have to be a big boy or a baby to make them?
A big boy.
Oh, so your baby won't be able to build an airplane?
No. I'm just going to help him.
Oh, that's nice.
This is going to be my airplane.
Where's the ladder to get into the airplane? Oh, perfect.
And this is where I jump into get in my... Where's my ladder?
It's right there.
I will step on the pillows
Mm-hmm.
and I will break my airplane.
Oh, no.
See, look, it can't fit.
And where are you going to fly to?
But I'm just too big to fit in the air. And my airplane is too thick.
Oh, it's too thick.
How about I do this? And then I will not get stuck in it.
Good idea.
It's gonna be my...
Did you figure that out by yourself? Or did you read it in a book?
I knew you figured out in the book.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oof. Is this very tiring? Is it really tiring what you're doing?
No. See, look.
Beautiful.
This is my truck airplane. They help me fly. Don't forget.
Where's the kitchen on the airplane?
This is the kitchen.
Oh, perfect.
And I cook too.
Oh. What did you cook for the flight?
Some pesto pizza and some pesto rice.
Yum.
Pesto pasta.
Yum. Oh, that's your ladder? It's your ladder?
No.
Don't forget your humpback whale.
No, I'm not going to bring it.
Oh.
We don't bring toys in airplanes.
Oh, we don't?
No, not anymore.
Oh, why?
Because it's too hard because you're going to break your toys.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I understand.
So you don't bring...
So what do you bring on the airplane then?
Food.
Oh, okay. Like
from
what?
Home.
From home? Like what?
Food, airplane, food, airplane food. These kind of food are airplane
Oh,
food.
perfect. Perfect.
And we don't have the stickers for the airplane.
Oh, that's okay because the animals who work on the plane can give you stickers, right?
Now we just need to look at this. Come to my work, turn my airplane in, find some sticker worker, some airplane stickers. So they need to come over.
Oh, okay. Well, why don't you go inside and call them?
Oh yeah. I have a phone.
Yeah.
Hello? Are you gonna come here? Because I don't have airplane stickers. He first called me and then he wasn't at home. He was buying some